Presenting the MSI Prestige 14810 AB038 in Intel Core i7-10510U 10th generation 14 inches gaming laptop. It comes with micro SD, GeSSD, NVMe and storage, 512 GB NVMe M.2 SSD. It has 14 inches Full HD, 1920x1080, IPS-Level Thin Bezel, close to 100% sRGB and fingerprint security. True Color 2.0 High-Res Audio Dynamic 3/4-sided Thin Bezel Creator Center Silky Smooth Touchpad Military Grade Durability True Pixel Display. It also features ultra-light design Creator Laptop with backlight keyboard, single color, white. The delivery box contains laptop and battery, power adapter and user guide. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.